Since they established the integrity movement in schools, they've noticed a lot of change, and especially when it comes to discipline. And you'll attest that in the last 2 years, we've also not had major issues. We've not had major issues. You remember, previously, we had some issues, children burning schools. Though, of course, there are other malpractices that young people are involved in, like drug abuse. But in terms of general malpractice on indiscipline, that has reduced and it has come down, and this has been attested by the patrons that we trained the last 2 days. So the second category, whereby the clubs were established and they are not really active, the teachers were very honest, or the patrons who are here today. They said one of the reasons has been necessitated by transfer of the integrity club patrons. The movement began, but you find the patron leaves for another school. So my advice was to the integrity club patrons is to make sure that the vision should not only be vested to the integrity patron, but the entire school.
Main objective of the club, it is to promote right values and attitudes among the students, so that it leads to change in ethics and behavioral in overall. In the dorms, we don't have theft anymore, and we've been able to achieve that with time through the club and the other members of the school. Now we look at activities like initially we had bullying. That is no longer there in the school because we learn to live with one another in the school. So the club has done a lot to the school. We have allocated a space in the school. We call it Integrity Park. That's where we do our activities. And we have a timetable. We do activities on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, tailor-made for the Integrity Club members.